Hey guys, this is the Jack with another unboxing video. If you remember that random review of a paint toothbrush, this is the end result. This is a unboxing from MrBoogieman1973. Kind of not showing the addresses. Yeah, they kind of smashed up the box. Not Billy's fault. I think you can thank the postal service for that. So basically, it started out with two G1 Insecticons, Kickback, and Bombshell, I believe. But it escalated soon after. So let's get this started. So he knows how to tape a box good. I can find a way to get past that. I'm actually kind of excited because he actually sent me a couple G1 figures. He's my first one. So the first one, G1 Ravage. I know you can't see that the light, but there you go. Then the other one, actually, they look like knockoffs. But here's Laserbeak, but you can see there's knockoff Decepticon logo. So pretty cool. So G1 cassettes, thank you, sir. Number 2. Here's one of the Insecticons. This is Bombshell. Now that has major wear, so I will be painting that silver. Of course, with the other chrome parts. So still pretty cool, sweet. Okay. Number 2. This is a jump starter. I believe. I really know I can't tell the difference between the two, but I believe this is Topspin. So actually, these things are smaller than I expected. So it's still pretty cool. They're loose, like the joints are loose. Of course, being like 30 years old, I have to get some Marco labels. Next, here is G1 Kickback. He'll need a lot of pieces. Still kind of sweet. And of course, he needs some stickers. Ooh, little bonus. This one appears to be a Spy Changer's Brawl, I think. I think this is my first Spy Changers. Random plastic bag. Yeah, perfect. And bubble wrap. So, but yeah, thanks, Billy. Again, Kickback, Bombshell, Twin, or Topspin, I don't know. Let's check it out. So, knockoffs of Laserbeak and Ravage, which I still have no clue. And a Spy Changer's Crawl, which is, this one was actually unexpected. I didn't know this one. So, but thanks, Billy. Thanks, Mr. Boogie. So yeah, this has been an unboxing video from the Jackal, of course. Thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, subscribe, do all that stuff. Follow me on Facebook, Twitter. Yeah. So this has been the Jackal, and I'll catch you guys later.